ExactRate liquid fertilizer systems can run a large variety of fertilizers and rates. In this video, I will show you how to set the valve pulsing mode on the display. On the display, open the ExactRate app by opening the menu, choose the Machine Settings tab, and press the ExactRate button. Set the valve pulsing mode to auto for most products. This is the only pulsing mode that allows for turn compensation. Fixed mode allows the operator to choose a percentage of time that the nozzles will be open. Off is used to open the nozzles fully for a rinse cycle. You may notice the distribution lines bounce a little while using auto or fixed pulsing mode. This is normal and enables the system to deliver a more consistent stream of product to the row, especially when using turn compensation. If the ExactRate system is set to pressure-based mode, valve pulsing is automatically disabled. In this video, I showed you how to set the valve pulsing mode on the display.